Ayan, welcome back po dito sa Bottom August PH. Ayan, my name is Angel Francia Feliciano. Now in today's video, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Alamin natin kung ano magiging kapalaran ninyo para sa buwan ng Disyembre. So, ayan. Kung naghanap ka ng signs, Aries, ayan, clarity or gabay para sa huling buwan ng taon, no? This message is for you. Now, Aries, December is bringing a lot of bold shifts. Yan, mga talagang bold na mga pagbabago. New opportunities and powerful endings na magbubukas ng bagong cycle para sa iyo sa year 2026. So, ayan. Tignan natin kung ano mga lalabas sa baraha para sa inyong love, career, money, health, at destiny mo. At syempre, don't forget to like this video, subscribe po sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi ka pong updated sa mga readings dito sa Bottom August PH. Ayan, so let's begin. Aries, paalala lang po bago ako magsisimula. Lagi ko pong nagbibigay ako ng reminder sa lahat po, lalo na sa mga newcomers, new subscribers, na lahat po ng readings ko dito sa Bottom August PH YouTube channel ay general reading lamang po. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nag-resonate, Aries, at iwan yung hindi. Alright, let's start with your tarot cards. Okay. For Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements for December 2026. Okay. Ace of Wands. Wow. All right. Let me get a... Wait lang, mga madam at sir. Alright, so you have the Ace of Wands. Next, you have the Hierophant. So, hopefully, klaro, no? Next, you have the King of Wands. Okay. You know what? Kailangan natin pa ng dagdagang baraha. So, let me just take this. And King of Wands. Ace of Wands. Hopefully, klaro naman. And you have the Ten of Wands. Okay. Aries. Now, kukuha naman tayo ngayon ng mga oracle cards para sa inyong main energy for this month, Aries. What's the main energy for our Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements for this month, December 2026? Okay, Aries, you have go the distance. Wow. This is really powerful. Mamaya explain ko to. Okay. Layout muna natin ng baraha. By the way, if nabuboard na kayo, you want to start the reading, pwede nyo pong i-fast forward. Ayan. Now, let's take a look. Tignan naman natin yung animal spirit mo na gumagabay sa'yo for the whole month of December. What's your animal spirit this month, Aries? At ano ang mensahe sa'yo ng spirit animal mo na gumagabay sa'yo? You have the mysterious crow. Okay. Mysterious crow. Next, tignan natin kung ano yung mga dapat mong malaman pagdating sa inyong love life. What's the biggest energy? What's the message for Aries? For you, Aries, anong dapat mong malaman sa love life mo? Romance and love, you have the doorway. Wow, an opportunity is about to present itself that leads you to a new person. So, sa mga single dyan, or for those of you, lalo na sa mga naghahanap ng panibagong pag-asa sa pag-ibig, no? Panibagong relationship. This is a sign. You also have the Ace of Wands. There's a lot of new beginnings happening for you. possibly sa buong aspeto, sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay mo, Aries, this month sa December. Now, tignan naman natin kung ano mga dapat mong malaman pagdating sa inyong kaperahan. Money and career for Aries this month. You have lost. Okay. Don't worry, may ibang meaning to, okay? A major phase in your life is ending. There's a new beginning. So, explain ko lang mabuti. Sa mga nawalan dyan, okay, nawalan ng trabaho, nawalan ng pera, na bankrupt, in any way, shape, or form, na nawalan ng pera. Okay, huwag kayo mag-alala because there's a new beginning. Okay, new beginning. Habol ka pa rin with this, I believe this is cheetah, okay? Lalo na sa mga feeling nila, nahuli na kayo, feeling mo, parang kumbaga, especially sa Aries natin dyan na very competitive, right? Gusto nyo manguna, you're very competitive, you're very bold. Okay, don't worry Aries kasi makakahabol ka. Especially for those of you na nawalan ng trabaho, nawalan ng pera. Okay, explain ko to in much more detail. So, alright, umpisa na natin, Aries. Alright, Aries, let's start with your main energy this month. Okay, you have the go the distance. So, ang pinaka-energy, big energy mo ngayon, December, Aries, ay endurance, okay? Focus, ayan, at completion. So, this month, hindi na ito tungkol sa pagsisimula. Ito ay tungkol mostly about sa pagtatapos. So, look at the cheetah. Okay, tumatakbo siya na mabilis, determinado at hindi basta-basta sumusuko. So, I feel like marami sa inyo right now, marami sa inyo ang goal na gusto nyong maabot is bago matapos ang 2025, the universe or spirit guides, you are with the message, right? You are being asked to push through. Or marami sa inyo ang meron kayong i-push through. Gusto ninyong makahabol, right? May gusto kayong tapusin, especially sa mga Aries natin dyan na may sinimulan. There's something about bago matapos ang year 2025, meron kayong ma-accomplish. Either sa career, personal goals, sa buhay, negosyo, mga ambitions, right? May gusto kayong ma-achieve, may gusto kayong matapos na milestone, ma-achieve na milestone. You wanna finish something, maybe a project, right? Maybe mga bahay na pinapatayo. Meron din siguro kayong gustong, there's something about meron kayong gustong ma-achieve or gusto yung habulin yung deadline rin. There's something also about a deadline na meron kayong gustong matapos nga. Right? So, ito yung buwan ng magtatakda ng momentum mo din, Aries. Papunta. Going forward sa year 2026. Alright, now, with the Ace of Wands, right? And dito yung Ace of Wands, with the Ace of Wands, Paano ko ba to yan? With the Ace of Wands and ganyan na lang. Now, with the Ace of Wands, this is a new spark. This is creativity and inspiration. So, itong buwan na to, magbibigay sa'yo ng fresh spark of passion. So, ito yung biglang magkakaisip ka ng idea, some of you, okay? Biglang magkakaroon ng motivation, may aha moment na makakapag-boost sa inyo. So, lalo na kung napagod ka, Aries, from the previous months, ngayon, babalik ang apoy mo, babalik ang sigla mo, babalik ang motivation mo, babalik ang inspiration mo. For new opportunities, with new opportunities coming, with new projects na maisip mo, with new motivation as well, and with a new direction, right? Now, but these new beginnings require action. So, hindi pwedeng half-hearted lang, okay? So, and also the card is saying, simulan mo na. Don't wait, Aries, alright? Don't wait. So, sana, right? Sana masimulan nyo kung ano man namang mga na nagbigay sa'yo hint ngayon. Now, you have the Hierophant. Now, the Hierophant talks about structure, wisdom, and divine timing. So, ang gabay sa'yo ng universe ngayon is, do it the right way, Aries, not the rushed way. Do it the right way. So, ngayong buwan, Aries, kailangan mo ng tamang sistema, tamang foundation, tamang wisdom, at tamang discipline. Saan nyo man may apply to? Project, negosyo, career. Kung dati mabilis kang kumilos, ngayon kailangan mo ng strategy, kailangan mo ng spiritual alignment, kailangan mo ng patience plus faith. Lakasan mo pa. Ito rin ang card ng mentor, teacher, spiritual counsel. So, may taong magbibigay sa'yo ng advice o opportunity. Makinig ka kasi yan ang magbubukas ng susunod na pintuan para sa'yo. Now, next you have the King of Wands. Okay. The King of Wands. This is leadership. This is power. This is direction. So, ito ang Aries card energy mo. Actually, this represents you as well. December is your King energy month, Aries. You are stepping into leadership, courage, decision-making power, and bold action this month. Kung ano ang gusto mo, ibig sabihin, kaya mong kunin, kaya mong gawin, kaya mong simulan, kaya mong ituloy. Kung ano man mga hindi mo pa natatapos. Okay? Now, pero kailangan mo ring maging siguradong nakikinig ka sa inner intuition mo this month. Hindi pressure na ibang tao. Alright? Tandaan nyo yan. Now, this is also a month where you command your life, not wait for things to happen, kumbaga. Now, you have the Ten of Wands. Okay, the Ten of Wands. This is hard work, Aries. This is pressure and burnout. So, ito naman ang reminder para sa'yo this month. I feel like a lot of you, if not some of you, you are carrying too much already. Right? Family burdens, career, financial responsibilities perhaps, marami kang gustong matapos, marami kang inaako, marami kang ayaw bitawan. Okay? So, makaresonate po. But this card, it says, huwag mong dalhin lahat mag-isa. Mag-prioritize. Delegate kung kaya. Bitawan ang hindi mo responsibilidad. Okay, December may feel heavy for some of you, pero kung may disiplina ka, plus focus, plus direction, matatapos mo lahat ng hindi na flatline ang energy mo. Okay, so, December is your breakthrough month, Aries. Okay, your passion is returning again with the Ace of Wands. Your wisdom is and structure, right? Balikan natin because nandito pa lang tayo sa main energy mo. Okay, so your wisdom and structure is stabilizing with the Hierophant. Your power and confidence is rising with the King of Wands. Pero kailangan mo ng wise management ng energy mo. Kaya andito yung Ten of Wands. Okay, now a major goal is within reach. I tell you. Kasi you have to go the distance. Meaning, the finish line is near para sa'yo. Hindi ka na dapat umatras, hindi ka dapat mag-doubt. Your reward is on the other side of your effort. Now, something new starts as something old ends. Naintindihan nyo yun? You are closing a major cycle before the year 2026 starts. So, expect career shift or an upgrade sa career. Expect new passion projects sa mga ilan sa inyo. Expect new creative sparks and expect clearer purpose. Now, sa love and relationship, some of you can expect more honesty sa relationship. For some of you, it will be stronger boundaries, less drama, more independence. Okay. Sa finances, again, money improves slowly but steady. Maging maingat lang sa gastusin at overcommitments this month. Okay, so for some of you, this is also a month of awakening plus discipline and alignment. Your intuition is very sharp this month, Aries. So your fire is coming back. Alright, napunta tayo sa animal spirit na gubagabay sa ating mga Aries this month. You have the mysterious crow. Ooh, okay, Aries. Ngayong buwan ng Disyembre, ang gabay mo ay ang crow. Isang ninalang ng karunungan, misteryo, transformation, pagbabago, spiritual protection. Now, the crow appears kung may cycle na dapat tapusin or magtatapos or may bagong wisdom na papasok or may deep intuition na magigising o may mga bagay kang hindi mo pa nakikita pero kailangan mong paghandaan. So your spirit guide right now, your animal spirit tells you, observe, don't react. Okay, wisdom first and action later. Na napaka-powerful nito kasi ang natural instinct mo bilang Aries ay kumilos agad right? Kasi you're fire sign. Pero ngayong December, Aries, ang success mo ay manggagaling sa strategic thinking and deeper intuition. And the crow is also a guardian of transitions. Guardian siya ng pagbabago. Okay, birth, life, and death. So, ibig sabihin, not literal death, okay? Ibig sabihin, isang malaking cycle ang magsasara at isang mas malakas na ikaw ang isisilang papunta moving forward next year, 2026. Now, again, with the Ace of Wands combination, with the Ace of Wands, Aries, lagay natin dyan. With the Ace of Wands, this means a new project, new inspiration, or new opportunity ang biglang bubukas para sa'yo. Hindi aksidente. Okay, guided siya, aligned siya, divinely timed siya. Now, your intuition with the crow lights up your passion with the Ace of Wands. So, this is a new beginning na may malalim na purpose. Okay. Now, the Hierophant here and the crow means na wag magmadali, right? Wag magmadali. I-align mo ang actions mo with divine instructions and matutong makinig. Kasi may tao, may mentor or teacher figure na magiging gabay mo this month. So this may be a spiritual mentor. This person could be someone older than you or someone wise, or maybe this could also be your own higher self. Now, ang crow energy mo ngayon is silent knowing. So, you don't need to shout. You just need to be spiritually tuned. Now, with the King of Wands, put tayo sa King of Wands. Ito ang card mo, Aries, bilang Aries, right? Leadership, vision, courage. Pero, this month, December, iba siya. You become a leader with wisdom na. Not just fire. And this is exactly the gift of crow. Strategic fire, kumbaga. Wise passion. Calculated courage, kumbaga. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka basta-basta papasok sa mga risk. This time, you can act with maturity, clarity, and spiritual authority. Wow, I love this. Now, punta tayo sa Ten of Wands. Aries, release what no longer serves you. Okay? So, Crow plus Ten of Wands, this means a cycle of burden is ending. May magtatapos na yung paulit-ulit na cycle. What is cycle? Paulit-ulit. A cycle of burden. Ano yung burden? Mga ano man mga nagpapabigat sa'yo. Ano man yung mga bagay na nagpapabigat sa'yo saan mang aspeto sa buhay mo ma-apply or possibly sa lahat ng aspeto ay magtatapos. Oh, which is really good. Now, the Crow teaches you, hindi lahat ng dala mo ngayon ay kailangan mong dalhin moving forward sa year 2026. So, ibig sabihin, this could be responsibilities, emotional weight, mga pressures, mga draining commitments, fake friendships, right? Toxic connections, guilt, fear of failure, etc. All of these must be released this month. Kailangan talagang i-release. Alright, so inuudyok ka. So hopefully magawa nyo. Marami sa inyo magawa nyo yan. So, ang burdens ay symptoms lamang ng isang cycle na expired na kasi. Expired na kasi yan. So, kailangan na. So, pero kadalasan kasi may mga taong literal na nagtitake pa rin ng expired na gamot or whatever. Right? So, again, overall, this month, Aries, you are entering a powerful transition. Ano yung transition? Pagbabago. Papasok ka sa malaking pagbabago. Hindi pa nagsisimula ang year 2026, December. This is kumbaga yung intro mo. Right? The Crow announces a rebirth. And the Tarot confirms it. So, isang major cycle ang magtatapos. Pagod, matatapos. Bigat, ayan. Confusion, ayan. Burdens, all of that, matatapos. Oh, claim nyo na. Claim nyo sa baba. I claim this major cycle na matatapos na. And then, i-comment nyo ano man mga gusto nyong matapos na. Right? And again, a new fire is awakening inside you. Right? Ace of Wands. This means psychic intuition and creative ignition. So, ito yung spark na matagal mo nang hinintay. For those of you who needs to hear this, ito yung spark na matagal mo nang hinintay, Aries. And also, your intuition extremely strong this month. Now, the Crow energy means that you will know things without explanation. Bigla mo na lang siyang inaintindihan na hindi mo ma-explain, pero alam mo. And you will also sense danger before it arrives. Which is a good thing para, diba, may maiwas aksidente. So, bago pa mangyari yung mga danger this month, masisense mo na. And most especially, you will sense opportunity before it forms. Kaya alam mo sa sarili mo, kaya dun ka makakapag-form ng apoy kasi alam mo may opportunity na paparating. So, lalong lalakas yan kasi meron kang Ace of Wands. And also, your leadership energy is rising. King of Wands, right? You are stepping into your, kumbaga, personal power this month. Pero hindi ka na impulsive, kagaya before. Okay, you are strategic na and wise na ngayon. And, release the old burdens. Sana lahat kayo magawa nyo yan. Ma-release ninyo mga old burdens. Ten of Wands tells you kasi hindi mo maaabot ang bagong cycle kung bitbit mo pa rin ang mga luma. Mga hindi po na dapat bitbitin. Patapos na eh. Huwag mong hayaan na yan ang hihila pababa sa'yo moving forward year 2026. Right? So, ayan. So, again, Aries, you will attract sa love, you will attract deeper, wiser, and more authentic connections this month. Okay, wait now. Pero hindi pwede ang half effort or mababaw na relasyon. Kung hindi aligned, matatapos yan. Now, sa money, new opportunities na may long-term promise. Good month for business ideas, pero huwag mangako ng sobra. Limit your load. Okay? Now, sa career, again, leadership role, Aries. This means also new project or major breakthrough, and you will be seen. Okay? You will be recognized. And sa spiritual aspect mo, this is your shadow plus light integration month. Now, the crow activates your psychic senses. So, may mga dream messages kang ma-experience, may mga synchronicities, may mga angel numbers kang makikita. It will all be heightened this month. So, overall luck, protected ka, guided, and deeply intuitive this month. May mga powerful endings na magbubukas naman, or it will lead to your powerful beginnings, Aries. Alright, so claim this. Wow. Punta tayo sa love, romance, and love connections. If meron if meron. O sa mga interested dyan. Now, Aries, ngayong December, this month, may magbubukas na bagong pinto sa love life mo. Isa itong opportunity na magkakaroon ka ng bagong kilig, may bagong tao na papasok, o may existing connection na lalalim at completely na magbabago ang direction. This is not a random door. Divinely timed siya. Okay? Dala ng universe at perfect sa stage of healing mo ngayon. Now, the doorway will lead you to a new person, a new chapter, a new emotional beginning. Now, kung single ka, this month marks the start of a meaningful encounter. Kung may person ka na, this is a reset or a rekindling energy na magdadala sa iyo ng clarity. Okay, now with the Ace of Wands, this is a passionate new beginning. So this is pure spark. Attraction, chemistry, at init ng connection. For Aries, ito ang malakas na sign na may paparating ng bagong tao. Okay, may sudden romantic interest, may biglang chat, may magme-message, may kilig na hindi mo inasahan. Na kung may person ka na, if you're already in a relationship, mas magiging intimate, mas magiging passionate ang relationship ninyo. Mas expressive ang partner mo this month. This is a card of a new fire, right? A romantic spark that wakes you up. Now, with the Hierophant, this is really nice. This is a good omen. This is a good sign. This is a serious commitment energy. Hindi lang ito fling. Hindi ito situationship. Alright? Hindi ito temporary. The Hierophant shows someone who wants something serious, someone who values loyalty, someone spiritually or emotionally mature, someone na hindi naglalaro. This is a kind of connection na pwedeng umabot sa long-term partnership, official commitment, engagement level mindset, ayan, and traditional relationship values. Na kung may partner ka na, Aries, mas lalalim ang usapan ninyo about sa future ninyong dalawa, about sa commitment, stability. Na kung single ka naman, the person coming is not casual. This is someone destined to shift your path. Now, if you are curious kung sino to, King of Wands, possibly ka-fire sign mo. This could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, right? So, someone with a king energy. Kung babae man to, very masculine, very bossy. Basta someone with king energy, very charismatic siya, very confident, very bold, very direct, go-getter, passionate, may leadership aura siya. Malakas ang chance na, yun na nga, fire sign din siya, kagaya mo Aries, or could be a Leo or Sagittarius. someone na may strong fire placement or fire personality. This person will pursue you. Hindi siya passive, hindi siya pa-cute-cute lang, hindi siya pabagal-bagal. And this person really wants you. And this person will show it. Papakita talaga niya. Kasi action-oriented ito eh. Kung connected ka na sa isang tao ngayon, this person will step up. This person will step up. Mas magiging expressive siya, mas motivated siya, mas invested siya sa'yo. But then, you have the Ten of Wands. Okay? So, Aries, ito ang biggest love lesson mo ngayong December. Hindi ka makakapasok sa bagong relasyon kung may dinadala ka pang that bigat sa nakaraan. So, Ten of Wands, this could mean, for some of you, it could be emotional baggage, past trauma, fear of getting hurt again. This could also be trust issues, expectations na nakakapagod. Could also be one-sided love situation or responsibility na hindi mo dapat inaako. So, the universe says, magaan ang bagong pag-ibig, ayaw nito ang mabigat na puso. So, para ma-welcome mo ang new person or new love chapter, kailangan mong bitawan ng past pain or burden na nag-hold back sa iyo, Aries. Okay, so again, a new door opens. Kung single ka, may strong chance na new connection, right? Ayan. Commitment energy is very strong. Hindi to fling. So, ayan. Punta tayo sa money and career mo. Aries, you have the loss. Okay, so ito ha. Malinaw ang mensahe, Aries. May natapos, right? May nawala. Some of you, nawalan kayo ng trabaho in the past. Some of you, this is a confirmation na natanggal kayo sa trabaho, nawala ng trabaho, in any way, shape, or form. Ano pa? Sa money naman, nalugi, na scam, naloko, in any way, shape, or form na nawalan kayo ng pera. Right? Or may ibibigay na goodbye ang universe. So, again, this could be trabaho hindi nag-materialize. Client na nawala din. Sales na bumaba for some of you. Business momentum na humina. Project na hindi natuloy, pera na lumabas bigla, opportunity na parang nawala sa kamay mo, something. Pero ang pinaka-importante na message is, this loss was protection. This ending is redirection for you, Aries. Hindi ka pinaparusahan. Inaalis ka lang sa path na hindi para sa'yo. Kaya ang pinakamalakas na mensahe sa'yo, regarding this is, kung ano man ang nawala, papalitan ng mas better na opportunity para so I tell you. Now, with the Ace of Wands, so Aries, again with the Ace of Wands, no, this is a new career, fire, and new money opportunities para sa'yo. Wait lang. Ilagay natin para mas makita ninyo ng mabuti yung cards. I want to make sure you can see the cards. So, money loss, career loss, andyan yung Ace of Wands. So, ito ang panibagong simula para sa iyo, Aries. Right after a loss, a spark comes in. Okay? So, expect bagong kliyente, bagong client, bagong sales spike, bagong job offer for some of you, bagong business idea, o bigla ang motivation mag-start ng new project, or this could also mean a career breakthrough. So, ito ang card na nagsasabing the universe will replace what you lost with something fresh, something better, and mas aligned. Ito yung blessing after loss energy. Now, with the Hierophant, stability returns through structure, right? So, Aries, kung nagulo ang finances mo in the previous months, ngayong December, babalik ang order, babalik ang routine, babalik ang discipline, babalik ang structure at stability. Ito ang buwan na mas organized na ang money flow mo, mas wise ka na sa mga expenses, mas strategic ka na sa next moves mo, at mas aligned ka sa long-term goals. And may chance din na may mentor or advisor na tutulong sa'yo, may authority figure na magbibigay ng opportunity sa'yo, may offer galing sa isang respetadong tao or institution. So, Ace of Wands with a new opportunity plus Hierophant, this means stability. Ito ang perfect formula for long-term success, Aries. Claim it. Now, with the King of Wands, this is you stepping into leadership and power. Ito ang pinakamalakas na card sa career reading mo. Ang King of Wands is boss energy, entrepreneur energy, right? Leader energy, visionary energy, powerful decision maker. So December is giving you the charisma to attract opportunities, Aries. The confidence to take risks, ayan, the vision to start something new, and the authority to claim leadership roles. So sa money and career, ang King of Wands ay nagsasabi, ikaw ang magiging dahilan ng pag-angat mo, hindi ang swerte. Hindi ang timing. Ikaw. Your fire, your action, your drive. But then, andito yung 10 of Wands, Aries. This is financial stress. But, temporary. So, ang message dito is, financial stress is temporary. Aries, may pagod dito. May pressure. May bigat. Pwede kang maka-feel na ako lang lahat gumagalaw, ako lahat nag-aayos, ako lahat nagbubuhat, hindi ko alam kung saan nakukuha ng lakas. So, pero December gives you the solution. Release what no longer works for you. Stop carrying the whole world alone. Okay? Let go of what drains you financially and energetically. Kapag binitawan mo yung bigat, makakapasok ang bagong pinto ng oportunidad. Alright, so overall, again, money and career message for you, Aries, this month is a loss happened for a reason. Yung nawala sa'yo, hindi para sa long term. At kung tinuloy mo pa yon, mas mahihirapan ka. The universe removed it para ilagay ang mas tama para sa'yo. And a new opportunity will enter as soon as you let go. Again, the Ace of Wands, right? The Ace of Wands confirms may papasok na bagong income source, may bagong offer, may unexpected opportunity, may new financial door na magbubukas. This is direct replacement energy. And then success comes from structure and confidence with the Hierophant and the King of Wands. Itong dalawang to. Okay. Ayan. This is discipline, strategy, leadership, and wise decisions. Kung maganda ang plano mo, you will win big. I tell you, Aries. Now, don't carry everything alone now with the 10 of Wands. Again, 10 of Wands. Balikan natin. The 10 of Wands says, simplify, delegate, streamline, and then cut unnecessary responsibilities. Huwag mong i-force ang mga old patterns para makapasok ang bagong swerte. Dapat may space. So, ayan. Aries, ito yung reading mo for December 2025. Sana ay makatulong ito para magkaroon ka ng clarity, guidance at direction sa mga energies na paparating. Kung nag-resonate po sa iyo ang mensahe na to, please don't forget to like, subscribe sa hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, at huwag kalimutang i-click ang notification bell para lagi ka pong updated sa mga next readings ko dito sa channel. Pwede ka rin mag-comment, I claim this, ayan, para ma-activate mo ang blessings at guidance na para sa iyo talaga. Maraming salamat sa iyong oras, Aries. Trust, tiwala at energy. Right? So, bago po ako announcement sa mga gusto pong magpabook ng Destiny Path Reading. Okay, Destiny Path Reading. Kung gusto nyo malaman ang destiny ninyo, Destiny Path Reading. Nakapost siya dito sa, for those of you na alam ang Facebook page ko, nakapost po siya sa Bonamagos PH na may blue check. Okay, para kanino ang Destiny Path Reading? Magkano? 2,500. Right, so it's a full 90 to 360 day destiny forecast. Sa love and relationships, sa money and finances, career and opportunities, negosyo, business flow, health and energy, family and home life, spiritual growth, and soul mission. So, para sa nitong destiny reading na ito, sa mga taong puro angel numbers ang nakikita, may big decisions sa love life, sa career or pera, feeling stuck, naliligaw or lost, and gusto ng direction at clarity, gustong malaman kung bakit may delays, gustong malaman ang paparating na blessings, gustong i-activate ang best timeline nila. Alright, so 2,500 po. Medyo mahaba-haba to. Okay, so processing time 4 to 7 days, depende sa nakapila. Okay, isang short video para makita nyo yung barahang lalabas at mga iba pang cards, and then a detailed guiding message. Long, napaka-long, kaya maybe kailangan ko ng email address ninyo if hindi ma-submit sa messenger. Sa gusto mong pabook, again, punta lang po kayo sa Facebook page ko po. Okay, may blue check. Syempre, yung may blue check ang hanapin ninyo at i-follow niyo, and then you message me there. For other services like private tarot reading, iba po yun. Kasi sa private tarot reading, you have to submit questions. Iba yung Destiny Path Reading. Same price, 2,500. And what else? Aura reading, Akashic, palm reading if you're interested. You can ask me. Pwede kayo magtanong sa akin sa Bonamagos PH kung ano yung mga iba pang services ang ino-offer ko. Now, sa gusto pong magparitwal. Okay, may gusto ko iparitwal. Problema, 5,000 pesos po per ritual na gusto nyong ipagawa sa akin. But, libre yan kapag bibili ka ng item. Magkano ang pinakamurang item? For as low as 2,900, ganyan, up to 3,000. So, bili ka na lang ng item, right? Kaysa magbayad ka ng 5,000 for ritual or intention. So, sa mga, by the way, may mga bago akong items. Okay, for those of you who are looking for premium collection crystal bracelet, right? Naka-post dito sa products link sa baba, sa description, and also yung YouTube channel may shop na po. Kaya you can actually browse here sa YouTube, and then pwede niyong i-screenshot, take a screenshot at i-message, ipadala yung screenshot sa Facebook page ko kung gusto niyo mag-order. Right? Marami kayong pagpipilian dito sa baba. Okay, so maraming salamat. For more announcements, siguro, wag mo na kayong aalis if meron, no? Wag mo na kayong aalis, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement. Maraming salamat. Ingat po, and God bless. And hope to see you again next time.